This is an amazing time in lighting. It can enhance life and work in powerful ways with technologies that can create new opportunities every day. At Saylite, we have 3 divisions that are providing lighting solutions to help you navigate today's exciting times in lighting. Our manufacturing division, Saylite and Mobern, our LFP lighting division that focuses on multifamily projects, and our Lights Fantastic Pro design centers.
Our unique go-to-market strategy offers 2 distinct brands, Saylite and Mobern, each with their own national sales force made of independent sales representatives. Each brand consists of the same product line but separately branded and marketed.
Saylite is unique in the fact that we offer factory at your fingertips. This is the idea that our customer can bring their own ideas to life.
Quick turnaround time from a local factory, a yes we can attitude, and value price points are our hallmark. Each of our lights has its own flair, meaning boundless ways to change color, customize connectors and joiners on the fixtures to give designers unlimited opportunities to change the space to something different. Saylite and Mobern also specialize in working with national retailers as well as lighting retrofits, whether it be for a parking garage, a large warehouse, offices, or retail chains. Our LFP lighting division focuses on providing great lighting solutions for the multifamily and hospitality industries.
By partnering with developers and architects, it allows our sales team to work on the front end of every project.
The industries have unique requirements that only a handful of distributors around the country are equipped to handle. We have one of the most experienced teams that work directly with developers, general contractors, and electrical contractors. Lights Fantastic Pro specializes in lighting for custom homes, light commercial spaces, and large remodeling projects.
One of the great things at Lights Fantastic Pro is our staff. Members of our staff with lighting experience well over 10, 15, 20 years. We really feel like we can sit down with you on your project and come up with what is the right solution for you.
My father, Larry, started the business 55 years ago, and each year he has evolved and changed as lighting has changed. The culture he established was yes we can, and 350 employees today continue to follow the yes we can attitude. If you want to create a great experience on your next project, Saylite and our divisions, Saylite and Mobern, LFP Lighting, and Lights Fantastic Pro have the expertise to create something special with all of the new technology at great price points, with great service, and with the right lighting to make a truly memorable project that makes lighting the magic of your space.